Ngangipasa kahle esikoleni. I know
Yes.
people saying now matric, ngapasa kahle matric. I used to get bullied, but no, we didn't talk. Ayekho into esikhuluma. Ngcine ngideleliwe wathi ingqondo yami ayithathile. I passed as a past, and
Yeah.
whatever happened, it wasn't a mistake. Number one, number two, nobody forced me to do whatever, and I don't care.
It's okay. Okay.
Yo, guys, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the rich Mona Lisa onto the Elevate podcast. Umahu!
Hello.
Awumuhle hayi kanjena.
Ngiyabonga namuhle.
No, ngiyabonga sithanda.
Kade
No, listen,
ngincoma vele ngithi.
I had to because ngenzela wena. I had to ukuthi ngibe muhle. Ngisho ukuthi ngifanele zino leswere.
see
I was
you.
like ngi-interview Umahu, so I have to bring it on. Awusithathe usibuyisele back to uThandeka owakhula eShowe eseyintombazanyana in the streets of Eshowe. Kwakunjani ukukhula? Kwakunjani ekhaya?
Yo, mina ngi-enjoy kakhulu nje kuba mncane, step by steps, you know. It was cool coming from a background. My mom is a Christian, and yeah, I'm coming from like a very religious family. Yeah,
Image so naniye esontweni njalo
every Sundays, yes.
Awukwazi ngisho nokudoja.
Sometimes phela besichile endlini. My mom was not this like hectic, you know, but we're like that. Yeah.
Ubaba wayekuphi ngaleso sikhathi?
Akekho.
Oh, akekho.
No, mina ngikhule kakhulu ekhaya kami, like ngikhule kakhulu in my mom's side.
Oh.
And yeah.
Njengathi sonke nami ngakhula kakhulu ngiclose kakhulu kwiside lama iside lababa sesiqala ukuthi sibe close manje and things like that. So ukukhula kwakho ke kuba njani uyintombazane enhle ungenani ungena oh Miss Ishowe oh Miss bani and
Yeah.
then
Yes.
and
Okay.
then uma wakho wenza njani ukuthengela uBarbie doll kumnandi nje kunje.
Yayingekho into yobhabhidela kuthina because besikhulela emakhaya. You know, ukhula mina intombazane engikhule ngiyona, ngikhule kuthezwa, kukhiwa amanzi, you know. So it was like that nje impilo. There was no electricity at that time. So nje ngiphuma nje straight emakhaya eShowe, and then from grade 10 that's when ngiza la eThekwini ngizoqhubeka isikole sami. Like ngizoqhubekela ukufunda.
So sike siza ukuthi mangabe mangabe uyemfuleni uyotheza nani kuba khona nabanye mhlawumbe abafana besuke belusa inkomo abanye belokho bekhupha babe njani abafana abancane ukuhlupha back then.
Obviously intombazane iyashela basho njalo, but yo mina ekhaya beku strict, very strict, like even abomalume everyone bebenza sure ukuthi nje no one is coming close to us because bebenza sure ukuthi basiprotecta ngayo yonke indlela. Yabo, so it was like that. So sasitshela nokuthi akekho umuntu ozoqoma la endaweni. Uma intombazane, if you want to date, just go somewhere outside, not cause la kufana ukuthi obhuti bakhe baseduze nakini.
Yes.
So into
Masuqedile kodwa futhi isikole.
Masuqedile isikole.
Nibangaka ekhaya ngeze ukuthi omalume wathiwa no one akaqomanga nibangaka ekhaya namantombazane and your brothers kuma wakho.
Small four ekhaya. I'm the firstborn.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah,
I thought you're the last born.
I'm the firstborn. Yeah, ngusisomdala, and then there's my sister uXolo kuba umtho, and then amahle the last born. But umndeni wasekhaya mkhulu kakhulu.
Yes.
Because khule sibaningi. You understand le family ukuthi kuphaka is just 15.
Oh, yeah.
Something like that mesemakhaya. And obviously kaMavele it was like us.
Niyani kuphela.
Yeah,
babe banjani uChristmas mangabe senihlangene mhlawumbe no cousin bakho sekuthengwa ingubo zo Christmas because we are almost sizofela leso sikhathi njengamanje. Yeah.
It was so fun. Listen, it's so fun. Like kuba mnandi guys, kuba ne family khona gogo khona umkhulu. Kuyaliwa, kuyajatshula. It's like fun. It's enjoyable.
Yeah.
It's enjoyable.
Yeah. Did you always dream of being entertainment industry kulezi zomculo njalo or noma yinto nje owabona wavuka nje one day wathi yazi ukuthini ngiyayenza le ndaba lena kwakuyinto ivelo uyifunayo ilangazelela?
Ukuba artist, I didn't know I was going to be an artist, but I remember I was very young. So there were songs ebesi recordile with my sisters. Not like we record a studio, but ebesi palile.
Oh yeah.
But na bingekho like opportunity like ukuhlala umuntu wala eThekwini nomuntu oseJoburg because the environment besikuyona ngoba bengisho there was no electricity. But bekanjalo nje like mina into ebengiyithanda kakhulu ngangithanda uku-actor.
Oh.
Yeah, because bengiye ngisho ma-auditions but I didn't win.
Okay.
Yeah, ngangithanda
It
uku-actor.
happens. Nami maningi ama-auditions engihamba kona ngaze ngangayithola. Yeah.
Yeah, ngimodela also as well and
Yeah.
I was winning all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Ngilento ngisho umodel
I
uwina
was that girl.
Yeah. I love it. I know. I mean you give me yona lo ma vibes ukuthi nje girl kwi pageant each and every single time you are just winning. Why kumnandi ngendlela eyisimangaliso. So ma actor who owabukela kubone like some of your favorite actresses at that time. Wabuka kakhulu Generations isidingo.
Okay. Yo, it's so confusing, ne? But I used to like Uthandaza, ne?
Oh, on Mubango.
Yes, that time because mina TV ayona into engiyithanda 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngikubona nje ama movie in most cases but bengimthanda. Ngoba ngichaza nje indlela we-actor ngayo the confidence
Yes.
and nami ngumuntu one-confidence too much kakhulu.
Yes, nice.
Ngiyahlupha nge-confidence.
Ayihluphe mutkhulule.
Too much.
Now tell me uthi ke wawungafuni ukuthi ube artist. Kwase kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi usungenile ke usungumculi lo mkhulu kangaka la esimuzwa each and every single time aliphela usuku singakuzwanga eradweni or angifuna ukukhohlisa. So ngena kanjani kuna lo mculo ke?
So it started because bengihlala nomane that time like with my family. And then there was this WhatsApp, if you look flow tour, if you wanna like go to the studio, 200 rand, you bought something like this. And umfana ngasekhaya, this was like yeah, umakhelwane ngisho nje umakhelwane nje ngasekhaya uLungstar. So we went there sasebenza but we did R&B. Oh my god.
Ibusakhumbula
so fun.
No, come on.
Ngikhuluma le.
Ayodwa nje sihleke kancane.
Yeah.
Ni record back room.
Back room. Yeah, and also in time nandi because Uma was very strict. Uma was strict kakhulu.
Yeah.
So because beshira like yena uma wakhe yena wasesibonga ukuboka maye sibongo sakhe something like that they sharing the same. So it was easy for me sambe 7 this boy. And then there was this other time because I was doing my second year at university as a teaching. So such chilly with one of the friends and then they said, "Ish, okay, I sang ne. But no bro, let's go to studio. You know, that's fun." And then some so seven and this boy was like mengisaqala ungena industry, he was my dancer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so sasebenza we did a song and then when I posted on this bad song.
What's a bad song?
Meaning show. So make post kuleyo ngoma leyo and then that's when because benginama contacts amaningi.
Yeah.
That's when ngathola one of the lady she was like yazi we can like singakwazi ukukhulumela neBabala Noise yabo.
Oh yeah.
Because we see that you are very talented and you are beautiful.
Oh, 2015 ke lapha ngiyacabanga because uMabala Noise was around about that time.
No, that was like 2019 or 2020.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 2019 or 2020.
Yeah.
So and then what things ukukhulumela and then sakhuluma naye bakhuluma nabo and then that's when ngingasayini Mabala. But akaze kulast akuphelanga unyaka ne. Because mina ngiyathanda like I think it's not like angifuna ukucontrola ne but I like being independent.
Oh yes.
Ngifuna ukuzenzela mina into like mengibona ngathi into ayenze ngendlela engifuna ize ngayo engathi ngayibambela mina you know. But they were good, treating me good. Ngathi bengathi ngumntwana wabo ne. Yeah, like I was treated so good. But then ezinye izinto like with my former managers bengenze ngendlela bengifuna ngayo yabo.
Like what? Like kokwenzakalani like umculo ongaphumi on time where you're not gigging enough?
It was difficult guys bengakwazi ukudropa on time and like uma sayinile like ezinye izinto azenzeki yabo. I know sometimes maybe the songs were not good but sometimes they won't tell you straight ukuthi the song is not good. But then the label was good but just that mina bengikhuluma with my manager every time yena obekwazi ukukhuluma yonke into so it was a bit difficult for me but yeah they were good like getting money every month but ekugcineni it's not about imali ithola into ebalekile ukuthi icareer yami.
Yes and also ukuthi ufuna ukuthi inyuke ukuthi ihambe lapha yana.
Yeah, inyuke lapha na. Sa ngacela ukuthi ngiyacela abantu ukuthi ngicela ukuyimela kwaba mnandi akabanga problem bathi abasho ngikho imali yami yabo. Everything was good nje ngacela kahle because sometimes you don't have to fight. Yeah, find a way of talking with people guys. Ngiyacela uABC so that yeah
usufundisa ubani ukuthi ucele kanjalo ukhulume kanjalo ufuna ukuyimela because ngiyacabanga la ekhanda lami ukuthi uyingane yaseshowe awazi lutho kakhulu ngekezomculo wena into ofuna ukuyenza ufuna ukungena e-studio ucule and by the way ubufuna ukuyiactela wena so manje isibindi sokubatshela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ngiyimele ngiqala ukwenza a certain into kanje usithatha leso sibindi noma babe khona vele abanye abantu abasebekubonile bekutshela ukuthi yazi ukuthini. ngeke phuma la?
No, nobody taught me, but the person who was my former manager, it wasn't good. Like the relationship was not good, you know. And it's like I'm just staying in Joburg, like in someone's house, and there's nothing I'm gaining, and I have a family.
Yes.
Guys, she's schooling like schooling. I know people saying now matric, matric, and at university, you know, I was told NSFAS, obviously.
Yes. When's the teaching?
Yes, and teaching. Ngayeka on the second year.
Yebo.
So ngayeka lapho, ngagcina lapho, and then ngabona ukuthi hey guys, and my mom was complaining, so no, come back. I'm schooling, you know. And because I'm stubborn sometimes. So ngavuma, ngabuyela ekhaya. Ngasimese ku level yokuthi manje ke sengimele ngiqale ke manje isikole, and then Maphorisa was like, bro, let's work.
Ukubonaphi
Vele sebenza nayo before, cause yeah, like some approaching my DMs.
Yes,
in fact ngakhuluma a lady engicela ne, and then wasekhuluma na wathi there's this girl engifuna ukusebenza nayo.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so kwaba kanjalo ngayi studio, and then that's when we did the first song, Uphumelela.
Yes,
but after Uphumelela I went back. Oh, this was before that. I did best songs.
Yeah.
Because I'm being honest, I didn't like Amapiano.
Yeah.
I was like, this is a different sound.
Yeah.
And mina ngangenza umshado with Heavy K. The first person next to was Heavy K, like a big artist. Like, okay, this vibe, like Heavy K, okay, fine, ngayithanda. And Amapiano is like jazz, but kind of vibes like, oh my God, I'm so bored.
And it's giving Joburg.
And also, mina befuna ungifaka like ile vibe ukuthi they wanted me to be the bad girl, you know. Yabo lema vibes lawa istrata, befuna ngicula
bad girl and
not
be
understand
bad.
because I'm a spiritual person, you know. I love like singing about God, you know. I like something spiritual, you know. You know, it's like that.
I like what you're saying ukuthi when babekufuna ukuthi bekufake noma bekucaste as umuntu onjayana, but when you love God and ukhule ekhaya elithandazayo kakhulu. What is your favorite gospel song or your favorite gospel song wawuthanda ukuyicula back then?
Thobile. Khona ingoma ethi bawo It was okay. But you know the song. Lega Thobile.
Thobekile.
Sorry, yes. Yeah.
Okay, I get it.
So I used to listen to her, and then Mesoguba got Army. So I was that girl. And yeah.
Nice. I guess buke izinto njengamanje usuyi-achievile your accolades, izinto usukwazile ukuyithola njenge-superstar oyiyona owumahu njengamanje. Singabalani njengamanje izinto oyosho ukuthi ngiyayiqhenya ngazo, ngiyitholile, I bagged that under the Mahu name?
Yo, first of all, I would like to thank God, bro. Like, where I come from, it was... Like, I'm coming from a normal family.
Yes,
like, like normal family, lokshini, nasemakaya.
Yeah.
Impilo nje normal, my mama was a cleaner, you understand?
Yeah.
It was like that, nje, uma esebenzela thina, also up in the abe, edesa namaseke, second hand.
Oh, wow.
And then chickens.
Inkubo. Mina ugogo wayidayisa sikhuliswe ileyo mali.
Yeah, besikhuliswa ilokho. My mom is a businesswoman and she's very good.
Yeah.
So, ezama uma umuntu bezama ukuthi thina sibe right. And uNkulunkulu wangiblessa nje mfethu, being independent, impilo ngibona inyuka my career from getting bullied. Kuthiwa when you can't do this, you can't sing.
Who's bullying you now?
I can't say.
Wait, was it people in the industry?
Yeah, but it's just young people na basafika yabo.
Babefika ngaleso sikhathi.
Who didn't believe in me, but I believed in myself so much that no one abengangitshela ukuthi mina you can't do it.
So wait, but bakutshela zonke lezi zinto but you can't do it, you can't make it, kuphi nandawo nibona e-studio, and then usakhipha the bad songs.
That was like after the song I did, Uphumelela. That was a very nice song for someone.
You can't make it.
You're not good enough. When why are you wearing like this? Like the way I used to get bullied, but mina I would just keep quiet and just work. And I didn't tell anyone. I was only telling my sister. But it wasn't big artists. It was just those abebezama.
Baphi njengamanje? Without mentioning names, where are they now? Are they around? Do we know them?
Not really, but they used to bully me. I remember this other someone was crying. Like, yeah, it was like that.
It's disturbing. So, like, umuntu obviously uzokutshela akubize eceleni and then masekutshela yonke le
about this.
I'm so sorry. I can see you. I'm sorry about it, Mama. I'm so sorry. But look at them. I mean, look at you right now. And you overcame all of that. I'm so sorry. Can I have tissue? Do we have tissue? I am so sorry. It's okay. Okay.
Yo guys, yeah. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I really am. Kodwa ke zonke lezi zinto kusuzenzile ke manje ke izinto ezinhle
Yeah.
wathola izinto.
Ngathola.
Igama lakho likhulu. Iziphi izinto osuyitholile?
In my music. My
Yes.
music is doing well, charting international. I'm even getting booked, you know. So nje I'm so grateful like izinto zenze ngalendlela benga expecting ngayo, you know. Cuz gangazi ukuthi I'm gonna get into this level. You know, I was like that ngithi I'm independent ngayiphushela and staying in a back room in a very small room, you know. Pushing, sometimes I would just invite my siblings to come over, you know. So it was like that.
Yeah.
Yabo.
And wangabalalela futhi nabantu.
I didn't listen to anyone like
Yeah.
ngoba ngisho my confidence didn't allow me.
Yeah.
And like seeing people bullying you like as someone who's kind ungabullisha abantu, you know. Yeah, so nje, this was the case.
Yeah. Siku October in Music Month la ikakhulukazi SA Music Month la esikhambisa kakhulu umculi wala eningizimu Afrika ama artists amahle afana njengawo esiwathandayo. Mawucabanga ngokubuka kwakho yini enye engameli ukuthi siyenze engumeli ukuthi yenziwe kwi-industry ikakhulukazi maziziwa ngokuzomculo ongafuni ukuyibona wena ishintshiwe nje?
Guys, I want to see like women making it without ukuthi dependele to someone big, you know. I know as usaqala vele kumele uqale maybe like normally obviously kumele uqale with like big people is fine, but then push yourself. Don't rush to sign up deals like in the music industry because a lot of people are just rushing to sign up because of not imali, because of your fame.
Yeah.
And they don't understand the business side
Yes.
of career because
yeah.
that's when abantu umuntu egcina ba in a depression abanye they kill themselves kuningi okwenzakalayo.
Yes.
And yeah, so don't rush ukusayina, just check like with lawyers if you want to sign,
Yeah.
yabo, and understand ukuthi why you get your like yini wenza ukuthi ufike la kuzana yini oyenza kwi-industry
Yeah.
ne uma ngabe ucula yini ozoyigaina
Yeah.
because you can't just sing and then just next and
Yeah.
then yabo.
Yeah. Let's talk about the support from other female artists. Do you
Yeah.
do you feel like ikhona support from other female artists
Yeah.
that you get elokuzaneni kuyona kwigame ikakhulukazi laba okanye nabo njengamanje wa hot njengawo from Uzinxu Malo, I would mention abonaledi Aphiwe, Nomfundo Mo and things like that.
Yeah, I do get support, Shem. I don't want to lie because when you meet people like my stage, because sometimes you get shared like my stage just young and people like your performance was amazing.
You're doing
Maho.
great.
Listen, you are a star. I get people like Nkosazana daughter.
Yeah.
She came to me like this year because a lot of people about kulum ganjalo no. I feel like some people they do into by confuse and competition.
Yes.
Like I always say, I tell my girls, that's how I work with all the girls.
Yeah.
Don't put me or anyone on a competition. Even if
Yes.
someone will tell you to listen, the person I'm competing in the small.
Yeah.
You understand? Don't put that in your mind.
Keep it
Just
to
work,
yeah.
work, bro. Ungafaki lento emqondweni because into destroy abantu abaningi amantombazane sola umuntu akasakhulumisi. You trying to be nice umuntu usekubuka kabi like be smart. One thing engasihlakanipha bro like
Yeah.
ungalifaki yonke into kwi competition serious because
Yeah.
yona into destroy amantombazane kakhulu industry.
Angeke ngize ngikudedele ngingakubuzi le ndaba le because I want to know the backstory of it ukuthi iqhamuka kuphi nendawo like even like from the beginning. Yini le engaka ebangwayo with Naledi Aphiwe kwenzakalani nazana
Ufuna sifike lapho why?
nazana even because I mean owasenanda ungwaseshowe kwenzakalani.
Wazambezana khona sisi wami.
Okay.
I remember this other time she said that she want me to help her.
Okay.
She would come and drop it. Was like, okay, cool. So we did a song, but the song didn't work.
Okay.
First time there was this like trending picture until kube khona fight when my sister osiswam amahle enzi event. And so ibisenandi event emenza and I was booked as well. So iproblem iqala umengena lapha umefika ufika nabantu abawu3 ukele. So yena wavele wathi kumele wangenisa everyone besemnyango efuna bangene like and ba complain bathi no you can't like cela ukuze nalabantu ufike nabo ngoba labantu obviously ngoba bekulayini abantu abazothenga ama tickets obviously abazokhokha abazongena
wayebookiwe yena noma
wayebook osiswami.
Oh great ezosebenza.
So ahambe ke mehamba osiswami efika ngakusasendlini athi cela irefund yemali yami because ngicelile ukuthi uzoperform wena ungenisa abantu about like 12 people and ngenza imali vele nemali ukuthi kumele ngene that time ke ngoba eqiniso ngizokukhuluma la khona waqala umthuka keke wambiza ngamagama abhlungu ngingabiza la magama because like crazy wathi wena inganaki lezi zinto all of those like
ubani oqala ukuthuka umunye
unaleto oqala ukuthuka amahla my sister sent me videos. I was like awasanda ama video amaningi yaweza sayiboti is hectic yo ngistress nami lento lelo athule amahla aphinde futhi emina amthuke futhi again amthuke ngathi nami ngiphendule watshelwe mina ngathi nami ngiphendule ngeke phela mase amphendula kanayo because kubhlungu mfethu like losing a child people oko wabe ku situation where they look because abanye abantu abazali
so wamthuka
ngingane yakhe umntana wakhe singane yakhe lezi zinto uthane la ka isinto kanjalo and she cried my sister yo amakhala ngathi nami ephendula and then that's when akhuluma lento ngoma wakhe ke
all right and now like isinjani ubudlelwane beni njengamanje is it something that kusazwana completely kuyaclash nake nazama ukuthi nihlale phansi nikhulume ngakho
no we didn't talk ayekho into esikhuluma
kodwa niyafisa
ukuthi kwagcina lapho nje kwaba nje la drama yenzakalayo and then valo ka decide ukuthi listen let me just keep quiet now since like agcina ngidelile wathi ingqondo mayithathele let's like decided ukuthi no there's something wrong with the child sengimdala manje ngeke
wasovesana wamzini
that's no athi ngivele ngithule ngiyamthanda I'm being honest like
I don't have a problem. I love that
but angazi like you know umuntu let's say someone ngivele ngifike ngikuthuka ungalindele sometimes uku confused hoyibo
kanjani manje
uma uzongithuka yabo so and then nami ngathuka because in most cases ngiyabaziba abantu bajwayele bakhona bazama I feel like there's a team behind
eyamtshela ukuthi
delela umahuna ke manje so lesozotrenda nawe yabo because they know at the time so it's nice was utrenda actually into angiphatha kabi ukuthi afake number on internet and then that's when the story started and right now angimthembi I'm being honest with my numbers so that's why I have 2 contacts le enginoba bengayishare it's fine I don't trust mina mfethu privacy is very very important you know so angimthembo kamanje in my space
okay ngiyakuzwa that's okay ake sibuyele nike to the lovely things
exactly
why do you have so many hit songs okwani ukuthi ngancane wena uzongena e-studio ingoma ishisa kancane ungena e-studio ingoma ishisa ama features akho ingoma ivesana ishisa each and every single one of your songs is it maybe just because uke washo ukuthi I had so many bad songs back then and then now uthi nje ngenza show why what is the magic
I think it's a calling, a talent.
Nice.
Yes, and also I love this
God's
thing.
timing also.
God's timing.
And nokuthandaza kwakho.
Nokuthandaza I'm a praying woman. I'm a praying woman.
Is there anything noma ikhona into ekhona ku internet probably in your past ongafisa ukuthi I don't know how to put this. Ofisa ukuthi noma esingathi into osuku wayenza ngaphambilini probably on the internet ongayiqheni neze ngayo and it's because it was your past into yakho yakudala it's not who you are right now
My past is a past and whatever happened it wasn't a mistake. Number 1, number 2, nobody forced me to do whatever and I don't care. Ukuthi kwenzakaleni. It's not like anything like anginandaba. Wathi ngayisho ngisho ngaba kuthiwa someone wayibuyisa back athi ma who was this I don't care. Like honestly, I'm winning right now.
Yes.
Like I got everything I want. God blessed me. You know when I wake up I'm give mention yami.
Yes.
Because of it thuku zami.
Yes.
And my family is happy. Everyone, no one akekho umuntu olala iminyaka ekhaya. You know, ezinye izinto ezenzakalile kumina zenzeke because I had to learn. And sometimes you learn the hard way. Yabo, so anginandaba ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ngiyazi ukuthi kubhlungu ukuthi ngeke ngibone izinto ezenzakalile but anginandaba. Into engayisho leyo.
Well, I was still like manje with working with the likes of Afana no Lil Wayne, Jay-Z, Rick Ross. How did that come about?
Guys,
how did that happen? Indoda kaBeyonce.
Let's a story.
Khuluma.
Abantu bayahlupha yazi. So ngikwenza ke mistake kanje. Ngangikhuluma mina kahle ngo Rick Ross and uLil Wayne.
Yes.
So ngasichaza story my friend sesakhuluma ngaye la. Umuntu ebeshela abantu uLil Wayne and then oh Jesus babe ngihlekana ekhaya.
Unama. Uthi shela uLil Wayne. Kuthini mzali?
Ngangihlekwa shem but it's fine. Angeke ngeke. Unojela na.
Ngeke.
Ngeke. Mina into engayisho boys in the industry bathanda ukushelana.
Yeah.
But bro,
but Lil Wayne is just not any boy.
Must date the industry work. Find a way, like bro. Just be nice, but don't ever make a mistake when you're opening your legs. Yeah,
I hear you.
In the industry, because you're gonna end up dating everyone, and football's advantage would say okay. Because when uthi nobani mumfuna lo mefuna ingoma mele enze kanje yabo mele kube into kanjalo.
Jay-Z no Rick Ross?
No, Jay-Z is a mistake. I was trying to say a word Rick Ross. Got him na Jay-Z, but that's not.
Oh.
Yeah, glory qiniso kulelo.
Okay.
But Rick Ross ngiyakhuluma ku easy ukukhuluma na Rick Ross madames obviously like
go izokhuluma naye kanjani?
Yo guys ngeke. Ngicela ngikhathe ngoba kuthiwa manje kanti ngisuke ngaqanjela mangasi ngikhuluma le story lesi futhi. There was an event ne. So lesi story lesi event laba abanqambela manga khona bathi bangiso something like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, istory sathi kanje wawukhona futhi nawe ne.
I was MC at that event. Yeah.
So le ndaba yemali mengibhala mina iEVN le yana I think nayizo. Ngangikhuluma ukuthi like some angibeka ngaspecific English nawe yazi njani. Ngangifuna ukuchaza ukuthi abanye abantu abangama promoters abanye abangama scammers akufanele uperform before uthole iyo balance.
Yes.
Kodwa uzofika nawe awufuna umosholo igama lakho.
Yes, true.
So ngangibeka kanjalo. Yabo so lona bangayizwa kahle and futhi basilevele kabanye abantu yabo. So yeah, it was like that. So angisabiza amagama abantu manje.
Oh yeah, ngiyakuzwa.
Yes.
How would you say ibrand yakho yenza kanjani phesheya kwamanye amazwe ngaphandle nje kwala eSouth Africa? Bathini nje like go Nigeria, do you have any context there? Kwenzakalani? Do you see yourself performing kwezinye futhi lezi indawo?
They love me. And sometimes ngiyathuka like when I get to stage and people are singing from A to Z my songs, like getting into a country la bangasazi isiZulu and they sing along because mina ngicula ngesiZulu phela. Yabo. So yeah, they love me so much. And I see even on DMs ngiyathandwa.
Nice. Naligama lakho phela silibiza ku Spotify's equal for brand Spotify equal Africa ambassador July 2025. Ukuchaza ukuthini lokho kuyini konke lokho?
Lokho like ngijabulisa ne because this means I gain recognition. Yeah, recognition from like big names, like big
streaming names in big countries and big labels
especially
as well.
Spotify.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a huge, it's a
means
big
a lot.
deal.
It's a big deal.
So what's about to just keep on streaming the music and buying it,
and also putting me on their page as well. You know.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, mawuye ekhaya ke manje eshowe awusayena uthande kusuma hu kwenzakala emgwaqeni usakwazi ukusuka nje endlini uhambe uyothenga isinka uyihambele ngonyawo ufaka iphinifu
lutho ke no iphinifu angalifaka but hayibo
akusahambeki
egate la eThekwini okay mengifile lemakhaya obviously bayibona imoto babona kalula ke muyazi nje impela semakhaya babona ukuthi nayi imoto yakhe
ufike
kuyogcwala ke sengiyobathengela phela auntie uthengela inyama ama kuba mnandi ekhaya yabo so nje akuyagcwala shem everywhere la ngisuke ngifika khona.
Asikwazi ukuthi singashiya le interview singayikhulumanga ngendaba yengoma eyayinkulu ngendlela eyisimangaliso yakho no SK Mthandeni nawe iGucci. First of all, wangena wathi khaxa kumaskandi like kwangathi into kade vele wayenza why kwabalula kangaka kuwena?
Ngaseshowa phela mina.
Yeah.
Vele nje into yasekhaya igcekeni no. So vele ngihlale ngisho ukuthi mina you know uma ngabe uyimculi angimele kube khona ijani ehlulayo.
Yes.
Umculi phela wena nobe igagu kuyo yonke into. So nami ngayitshela ukuthi listen ngiyenza umaskandi ngizoba igagu and ngizokhombisa ukuthi ngiwaseshow. So kuba into kanjalo.
Uyazi when umuntu elalela laculo leliyana and noma mhlawumbe ikhathi silizo kokuqala sasicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuthi uma hu khona mhlawumbe ezinye futhi zeingoma zika maskandi mhlawumbe angayikhipha because when you listen to it ungathi umkantsho ubomvu when it comes to umaskandi wake wabathola ke mhlawumbe abanye ama artists who are doing maskandi wanting to feature you in their songs or wanting to get into studio with you?
Before ngenza iGucci ngenza ingoma noSicebi ithi sesakaze trend obviously.
Okay.
Yaka kwingoma ithi ukuba ibhinqi sibusisa.
Hamba kanjani awusho? Awukwazi ukuthi
ma ivoice yami ngishilo ngathi ayikho.
Oh sorry chime.
Kuba ibhinqi sibusiso. Uma ibhinqi ungakhethekile. Malawe, we malawe.
Nice.
Malawe, we malawe.
Nice.
So it was like this, you know, but mengisaqala. You know, anything I should know. Once you work with someone or hip, everything move.
Oh.
You know, kuba kanjalo, automatically the song will move because you are guys, you're all happy. And a good song as well.
Yes.
Ingoma imnandi guys iyahambela.
Iyahambela.
Ingoma nje imnandi iyahambela. Ngayize studio la ukuthi le this is a song.
Now, do you see yourself like probably having a Maskandi album? I mean, siyabona Beyonce ube ne country album. When uyayibona mhlawumbe ube one day uthi yes asithi kancane ake ngithi la ngithi album nje kaMaskandi just once kanye ngonyaka.
Ngeke ngiyicabanga leyo but obviously it's not going to be this year. Ngeke ngathi siyebo if I can do bengikhuluma neteam yami ngithi ngishaye nje uMaskandi ngifike ngibangene bese ngiyayithulela.
Unyaka owodwa.
Ngidle nje ikhavela ngithi Brainwood exactly.
Masiyabuyela ke emgcibiseni.
Ngiyaplana lento kanjalo but yeah kuzoba kanjalo. And don't forget guys the album is out.
When?
Amazon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where do we get it? We get it everywhere, even ko Spotify.
Yonke indawo angithi ngumaho. So akukho la ingoma bengekuzithole khona.
I think insizwa eNingizimu Africa, whoever is watching this right now, we're about to break their hearts, or mhlawumbe we are not about to break their hearts. Uyathola?
But umbuka I think mina ngaba sengicela ukubuza nje.
Ugenzani?
Mina ngibe sengicela ukubuza nje.
Oh, khona. Sure, guys,
I'm a girl, a beautiful girl, bro.
Yes.
And I work hard, so
a gorgeous girl.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. I love that. So to the lucky guy, to Mr. Mhlawumbe akukeduzane mhlawumbe la kuzothiwa baba ekhaya.
Kumele ngimtshele ngenkani ngithi lalela la wena. Ngokhokhe inkomo zababa.
I hear you.
Kazulu ziyakhokha ikhokhiswa ngenkani phela ibo.
Yes, awukwazi umane ujole nje.
Ziyakhokha.
I hear you. Nice. Big things are coming ngomhla ka-6 kuDisember la kwiGagasi FM. It's the Gagasi FM Beach Fest.
Exactly.
Kuzobe yami yokuqala usukwaba kwi-Beach Fest before?
Yes.
Yes. Kwenzakalani? Oh, mina ngazi mina kuyami kuzobe kokuqala ngicela ungitshela.
Lalela bomnandi bulaphana.
Okay.
Uthando Nkosi yami. Yo kumnandi kakhulu. I remember makade ngiperforma and people were so happy they didn't want me to leave the stage.
Yes.
You know, I am Maho, you know.
Yes.
What I mean? So and I'm coming back again.
Yes, that's going to be amazing. Imake yini mhlawumbe khona into usibekele yona ekuzomela ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuthi silindele njalo mhlawumbe stage lapho kuzokwenzakalana anyama dance ngicela uba idancer
Okay, please. Ngiyacela bandlu bekhona.
Okay, I'll be there.
So I have to bring dancers, right?
Yeah. You have to bring dancers and ngicela ukuthi bengifundise.
Okay.
Nice.
So ngiyakahire you're hired now.
Sweet.
Lalela umswenko.
Yeah.
Lalela.
About vibes.
Kuningi vibes.
Nice one.
And ukhona obviously uzoba happy because nami ngizobe ngikhona.
Yeah.
And
yeah. Nice one. Moho, thank you so much. Siyabonga for sharing impilo yakho nathi, for being vulnerable, and to the bullies abanye futhi abenza impilo yakho ukuthi yabanzima kangaka. Asinazi ukuthi ngobani kodwa you did not break this girl. She is here. She's making magic. She is touring the world. She is tearing up the stages. She's about to tear up the Gagasi FM Beach Fest. She's getting accolades. She's being recognized by big streaming platforms. She's just a girl from Eshowe. A girl, it's Handa uNkulunkulu, who's a praying lady. We love you, Maho. We love you so much. We love you
so much, guys, for having me.
You're amazing. And
Thank
stay
you.
beautiful. And block the noise. Qhubeke when you come and be a
Definitely.
Siyabonga. It's been absolutely great. Thank you so much for tuning in on Podcast Raja, on Elevate Podcast Raja on Gagasi FM. Nangu yena long to decide.